these incidentally are not necessarily in any specific order, but I'm sure there's a reason why I picked this as number one when I originally made these notes, and that's not being able to say no. I don't know what it is. It's in the screen printer's blood to say yes to everything, I think, because I know it's not just me. I mean, I know hundreds and hundreds of screen printers all around the country, and everybody says the same thing. Why did I say yes to that? And so what does that mean? It means desperation is not a good business model. I think it's a tough business. We all know that. It's extremely tough to find business. There's things like screen printers on every corner, depending on the market you're in, and you just don't want to turn potential business away. But you really gotta, it certainly gets easier with time to understand why this is a big mistake. Because when you're taking on things that you don't do regularly, you're probably going to not do such a good job with it, and furthermore, you're definitely not going to make money on it. I'll just throw out some basics. Maybe you're getting pushed. It's more common to do now. It wasn't back a decade ago. It's printing overseas and so forth. They're really tricky. Do you have the jigs on hand? Are you set up to do it properly? Instead of ruining a bunch of shirts and having gloppy ink, it doesn't mean you don't take on things, but are you set up in your operation? I'm a big believer in consistency. The profits are made by being able to turn those presses and get things out the door efficiently. Whether it's printing jackets, just have a jacket clamp and printing jackets by hand. Is that profitable? Especially if you're in the contract business, let's say, if you can mark up to double the price of the jackets and add $12, $15 for the printing, hey, that could be really profitable. Back in the day, we used to make a ton on jackets. When we became a contractor, we dropped it because there was no way for us to make any money printing on supplied jackets when a lot of our customers expected us to print it for the same kind of run charges or only a little bit more than we would charge on t-shirts and so forth. Doesn't mean we couldn't have come up with a model, but we were printing, with 8 presses humming all day long and going to second shift. We had plenty of business going on with t-shirts and hoodies and everything else. Being nice alone does not equate to profit. So this is all about that saying no and kind of getting into the psychology of why do we always want to say yes. I think we say yes because we want to get the business, even though we haven't thought about it. But we also, I think, want to be nice. We want to take care of them. Hey, we'll take care of their issue and get their stuff done. But you also got to be honest with customers and just say, that's not something we do. Or if you're going to take it on, just out the bat, just throw out a big number to cover yourself for having to, do whatever this thing is going to be. Hoping for that big order in the future is fool's gold. I know this after 30 some years. I don't think anything ever came out of all those nightmare headache things we took on. And I'm sure you could prove me wrong. Somebody says, yeah, maybe it came off, but even if I took on some kind of nightmare to get it, well, if it meant more of that type of work, I hope I develop a system so that I can be efficient at it and make money. So you got to learn how to say no.